Hey everyone, my name's Justin. Today we're doing a shootout between a Cascade Fat Head with the stock transformer and a Cascade Fat Head with an updated Lundahl transformer. Both microphones are set about 1 inch to 1.5 inches from the grill of a Fender Twin, with the center of the dust cap being the center of the capsule on the Fat Head. For comparison's sake too, I'm running each through the same 20-foot ProCo cable. They're both going into my Hairball Lola pre's, which sound fantastic. And the way that I run my pre's is I bring my microphone with the preamp gain right up to breakup within the pre, then I notch it back 1 or 2 clicks, which is either 4 or 8-ish decibels back from breakup within the pre. And then I scale down my my output attenuation on there, so when I'm hitting Logic, I'm not clipping the shit out of it. So here's what it sounds like, just kind of this open F sharp. Obviously playing a Telecaster directly, and this is no pedals. Sounds very nice. So in case any of you are pedal heads like me and half of the rest of the world, and mostly everybody that ever has played guitar in the entire freaking universe, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with a chorus on. Got I got my Boss CE5 and going into my Electro Harmonix Oceans 11. So same deal. So I wanted to play some dynamics for you guys so you could really see how the microphone reacts, I guess, to the impulse response of the speaker, but then also with these omnidirectional mics, the back of the Fat Head picks up sound bouncing off the wall behind it. So it's a really nice 3D capture. And these are just 2 Fat Heads, one with the stock transformer and one with the modded Lundahl. I'm not doing any blending with an SM57 or anything, which we could do later, but really the point of this is to say, do you like the way your Fat Head sounds? I did. Do you like the way the Lundahl sounds better? I do. I don't know where you're gonna land on that spectrum, but that's the point of a video like this. So I'm gonna hit you with a little bit more tunage. We're gonna actually do some fuzz tones out of the Big Muff. Fuzz can be subjective. You might not like my fuzz. I might not like your fuzz. Who gives a shit? It's all gnarly and rock and roll. So we're just gonna do a little bit of that same like open F sharp. That's full on my bridge is all the way up with the volume, and I roll back to about 7. And I do have a treble bleed mod, so I feel like rolling back on the volume opens it up a little bit. I'm gonna play a little bit of a thing by choking on a banana fiber. Ooh, don't you just love that 1970s dead cat fuzz that just flies out of your amp when you engage your muff? No muff, muff, no muff, muff. Don't really need a sound comparison for that. All right, so let's see. That's good enough for rock and roll. Ooh, the thing I love about these Cascades, you can hear the strings. You can't get that on an SM57. All right, similar to the prettier open kind of chords that I did with the chorus and the reverb, I'm gonna hit you with some fuzz. If I had hair, would have been waving the fuck around, probably with some majestic locks in the wind and unicorns flying by and rainbows and shit, but I'm bald as fuck, so this is what you get. Yeah, so that was what we did. We did it. That gives you some perspective, and I hope you had a good time. Oh, I completely forgot. So I have 2 fat heads and I've only modded one. So I'm gonna do the Lundahl mod on camera for the second one. So if you're interested, if you thought that it sounded worth doing on your own, come back, because I'm gonna have that video too with all links in the description of the tools you're gonna need to get this done, where to buy them, including the transformer itself. So hell yeah, bye.